In this video, I will show you how to view Steam purchase history. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you want to do is open up Steam and log into your account. You can also do this on the Steam website if you want to. These steps are the same. Now, once you're logged in, if you come up to the top, and what you want to do is click onto your name here, where it says manage account to bring up this menu, and on this menu you want to click onto account details. On your account details page, if you look at the top in the store and purchase history section, and if you look to the right of your wallet balance, you're going to see a few options with the option to view purchase history. Give that a click and that's going to take you to a screen like this where you'll be able to see your entire purchase history, including things like wallet credit and also any refunds. You can also see what payment method you used for each purchase, and you can see the dates on which each purchase was done. So that is how to view Steam purchase history. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.